Hello, I'm going to show you how to set up an email account. So there are all different companies that host email, Gmail, which is Google, Outlook, which is Hotmail, Yahoo, Mail.com, AOL is still around, You've Got Mail. Anyway, here are some. Many are free, some you can pay to get extra premium services. I use Gmail or Google because they have a whole suite of apps that will work with it. So you can Google, create a Gmail account and click create an account button and then enter your name. And you're going to create a username, and that's going to be a part of your email account. So think about what you'd like your username to be. It could be part of your name, or maybe you're going to do a business at home. You can use any combination of letters or numbers. Let's see if Cook It Chef Emil is available. And then you need to also come up with the password, and so you need to write these down so you don't forget it. Enter it again. And hit next, and you'll see if your email is available or not. And that one was available. Sometimes it will ask you for a phone number to verify who you are. Sometimes it won't. This page, and it wants some information about you. So you can enter your cell phone as optional. If you have another email address, that's optional. You can enter that. Then it wants to know when is your birthday. Mine's January 10th. Okay, the year and your gender. So you enter the information and hit next. Okay, next pops up privacy and terms. So you can read that, the usual stuff. Hit I agree. And voila, it's created your Gmail or email account. Congratulations. Over here on the waffle and hit Gmail, and it will open up your email account. Putting Gmail. Okay. Welcome. Next button. Just go with the default, hit OK. And once again, here you are. Here's your email. So now I'll make another video showing you how to create and send emails.